Welcome to this tutorial on how to use the mobile app for your Banco Sabadell debit card. This comprehensive guide will walk you through the process of managing your debit card using the app, step by step. First, you need to download and install the Banco Sabadell app from the App Store or Google Play Store, depending on your mobile device. Once the app is installed, open it and select the option to register or log in if you already have an account. To register, you will need to provide your debit card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. You will also need to create a username and password to access the app. If you already have an account, simply log in with your existing credentials. Once you are logged in, you can view your account balance and transaction history. You can also use the app to make transfers, pay bills, and manage your debit card settings. To make a transfer, select the transfer option and enter the recipient's account details, the amount you want to transfer, and a description of the transaction. To pay a bill, select the Pay Bills option and enter the biller's details, the amount you want to pay, and the payment date. You can also use the app to manage your debit card settings, such as setting a daily spending limit, blocking international transactions, or reporting a lost or stolen card. Another important feature of the app is the ability to receive push notifications and alerts. You can set up notifications to inform you of transactions, account balance updates, and security alerts. This will help you stay on top of your account activity and detect any suspicious transactions. To get the most out of the app, it is recommended that you keep your device and app up to date. Use strong passwords and keep them confidential, and monitor your account activity regularly. You should also be cautious when using public Wi-Fi networks to access the app, and avoid using the app on public computers or unsecured devices. In conclusion, the Banco Sabadell mobile app provides a convenient and secure way to manage your debit card. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you can take control of your account, make transactions, and stay on top of your account activity. Remember to always keep your device and app up to date, and follow best practices to ensure the security of your account.